Oh, there's that guy I like.
The kid?
No, the one in the green.
James McAvoy?
Yes, forgot his name.
Who's James McAvoy?
You don't recognize James McAvoy?
No, should I?
He's locked in everything. Locked ever?
Yeah, Thomasina.
Well, what's he been in that I would have seen?
X-Men.
They don't watch those superhero movies. They think they're like, what's the word?
Passe. They are.
Oh, fractured. Arden. We all went to the theater to see it, remember? He was in that, Thomasina, and you really liked that. What do you mean? We all went.
I've never seen a movie called Fractured.
You guys mean Split? Yeah. Jesus, Dustina. Fractured. Close enough.
Oh, I love that movie.
Well, yes, James McAvoy's in that, so you have seen him before.
Who's James McAvoy?
I literally